Hey guys, it's 4th of July and I know you can't really see much of anything. Maybe turn on a light here, maybe that'll help a little bit. Not really helping. But as you can see here, I got some fireworks, got a lighter in my hand. I know you can't really see much of anything yet, but kind of just wanted to talk about a little bit about where I've been, why my YouTube channel's been so dead, and where part 2 of the Omegle video is. No. It's been how many months since September? December, I mean. Oh, I don't know what I just said. It's been like, I don't know, so many months since September, or December. Like 6-7 months since that Omegle video I did. I've just, first I wasn't really feeling motivated, and then recently it was because my computer broke, and I don't have access to a computer that has the files, because all the files are on a computer. Because for some reason, Windows Movie Maker does not like to transfer, when you're trying to put files from Windows Movie Maker onto a flash drive, they get corrupted. I don't know. It's just Windows Movie Maker. But anyways, I figured I'd come out here and show you guys, light off some fireworks for you guys, and it's probably not going to be until August that I, honestly, that I get another video out. Just, like I said, the computer's broken, don't know when that's going to get fixed. It's just been really fucking crazy. And recently I've been mostly focusing on school and work, and not my YouTube channel, which I know some of you are probably like, oh, I'm so disappointed, and others of you are like, who fucking cares? But I've been really wanting to do more videos. I have so many ideas for videos, so many good ideas. I can't even begin to explain how many good ideas I have and how many different videos I want to do. There's a little conspiracy theory video. It's gonna be really silly, really stupid, and that's something I want to do. But I gotta, again, get a working computer so I can have the time to do a little bit of research on it. I don't want it to just be random bullshit. I want to actually put some research into it, and yeah, I want to put some actual research into it. But, so many video ideas. But, I've been rambling for a while, so, I'm gonna line off some fireworks for 4th of July. Whoop whoop. Let's get these fireworks going. There you go! Bottle rocket, your old classic bottle rocket. So let's see if we can get 2 off at once. Oh crap! See? Lots of fun. I don't know why, I've always liked lighting off fireworks, even though technically certain kinds of fireworks are illegal in the state of California. Actually, in most of the U.S. But, something fun that I did right here is I got a milk jug filled with water. I'm gonna drop an whatever the fuck this is, an M1000. That's what it's called, I don't know, it's a little tiny thing. Probably can't really see it. I'm trying to hold so many different things at once and it's just not working. There we go, that thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take my phone, because this next one's going to be dangerous. We're going to put it in my pocket and we're going to pull it out so you can see the explosion. I don't know if you really saw that, But let's look at the aftermath. As you can see here, it's all fuzzy around there. Just water everywhere. There's the M80 in there. No fun. This baby did not live. The bottle rockets definitely are a little easier to show off because of the nature of them, and they are definitely safer because you just light it, you back up, and they launch out. So, less hazard. So you got both yourself and the rocket getting away from you. But where this next one, we got a little like sparkly doodad, thunder bomb, I guess is what they call it. I have to set you down again. Oh, I grabbed two. I thought I only grabbed one. Guess I grabbed two. It's something you really need light for, because it has this little fuse that you have to dig out from the package. It's actually kind of annoying. You gotta find this thing. Ah, there it is, see? We'll show you in a second. See that little blue fuse? You have to dig that out from the package. So anyways, this one's also going to be a little easier to show, so. As you can see here, like I said, a little more dangerous. What happened is I lit the fuse, but I think I also lit one of the smaller fuses and went off a little early. Whew, that was close. So as always, you got to be really careful when doing this. You don't want to blow your hand off, so don't be stupid. Like, that's why you always want to back away as soon as that fuse lights off, because you don't know if you accidentally lit the wrong fuse. And if you did, and you stand next to it, whoo, you could lose some body parts. But let's try that again. Hopefully this time I'm not an idiot and fucking light one of the smaller fuses with one of the bigger fuses. While trying to light the bigger fuse. I'm sorry, and I know this quality is going to be pretty shit. Probably should have mentioned that more towards the beginning. But, yeah, this was kind of a last-minute idea. And really, I'm supposed to be doing a speech for my class tomorrow, but I just wanted to get out here, light off some fireworks. It's 4th of July. Sometimes you just gotta live a little. Okay, let's get these smaller fuses out of the way to make sure that, for sure, I don't light them. There you go. See? That's what happens when you actually do it correctly. And you don't accidentally light them off incorrectly. Yeah? Huh? Okay. And the other fireworks aren't. I told you I was gonna light off fireworks, didn't I? I thought I did. Nobody? Okay, well, it looks like that is the end of the video. My but like like I said, hopefully soon I'll get my computer back up and running, and then we'll get back on track with these making videos. And I mean, lots of fun fireworks. We've had some fun today. Let's do one more, just as a finale firework. And that will be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed lighting off fireworks with me. That is all for this video. I'm gonna clean up now and get back to working on my speech, but see you guys. Like I said, try to get it working again as fast as I can. Oh, sounds like somebody. I can hear the sirens right now. So, also sounds like fire truck sirens. So it sounds like somebody started a fire with fireworks. Not surprising. You always get those idiots that don't know how to control their fireworks and then they start a fire. But, happy 4th of July, everyone. So amazing. Can't believe that it's already 4th of July. Feels like yesterday it was just the beginning of the year. And now it's already the 4th of July. Jesus. Well, anyways, gonna just end the video there. So, see you guys later.